For probably most of my life, I've suffered from tonsil stones. I never truly believed I had them, and then eventually I figured out that I did. I tried everything to get them out. And I did a pretty decent job at it. I've used one of these like pimple popper tools, right, that you can go in the little crevices and get them out from. I've used these little plastic syringes, you fill them up with water, jam it in the crypt, flush everything out. That's the best, except it's a pain. You can't see in your mouth. I hold a phone up to my mouth and kind of go, terrible. And it doesn't work very well for me anymore. Then I started seeing ads on Instagram for this ZYVIXA or these like tonsil stone cameras. And they all cost, I don't know, $40, $50. And I thought, this is just cheap Chinese stuff they're getting from like AliExpress, and they're flipping it for big profit. So I went and found the exact same thing on AliExpress. I think I paid $9 for this maybe. It's a visible tonsil stone remover camera. Same thing, just without whatever branding they've put on it and whatever markup they're doing. So I got this in about a week from China. Provides a clear view of the inside oral. Whatever that means. 6 LED lights, 1080p HD camera. I'm sure it's super high quality. Extra long reach, multiple attachments. Type-C rechargeable. I have low faith in this, but I'm going to give it a shot. I'm going to go try it out now. I don't know how to film that for you. If I can think there's some way to do it, I will. If not, I'm just going to come back and tell you how my experience was. We can pop it open. Let's see what we're working with. Sure enough, there's the Type-C rechargeable cable. Here's a whole little vial of attachments. I see the one that the ZYVIXA ad always had on it. I admittedly don't know how I would use half of these. What is this one? How do I use that? What am I doing? Prying my mouth open? Let's see, I don't know if this is gonna solve all my problems. Sure enough, they still include one of these little syringes. Borderline identical. This one has a little bit smaller of a tip. Just as sharp on there. I say sharp, it's not like sanded down or anything. It's not smooth, so I've cut a lot of tonsil with this. A lot of blood. Warning on that. Then here's the tonsil stone removal tool. Dig through the instructions here. You need the Soul Ear app. You know why? Because this is the same as like one of the ear cameras, just we're using it on the tonsils. Let's get our Chinese spyware on here. I already have TikTok installed, so what's the difference, right? Allow it to find all our networks. Hold the little button for like 5 seconds. Whoa, there's a light. I'm gonna hit connect device. To go to your Wi-Fi and connect directly to the Wi-Fi network it's pumping out. Soul Air. It asks for camera access. Once you've done that, you go back to the app. There it is. Yeah. Okay. Maybe I can record this and just show you. I don't know. This is gross. This is a new one for me. Do they tell you what the attachments are? They tell you to use the syringe first. No, if I could use the syringe, I wouldn't need this. The syringe works. That just flushes everything out. And they tell you to use it again at the end. Yeah. Spoon tip, loop tip, round tip, flat tip. Yeah, no shit, I can tell you that. I'm gonna screw one of these little tips on. It's the spoon tip. And the cool thing is you can use it, but it's got the giant hole, so you're still getting the light. I want to go play around with it. So that was extremely short-lived. I guess I don't know what I expected. I couldn't see anything that I couldn't already see doing my stupid phone, whatever thing. I got the flaps there. You kind of see me trying to get behind them. But I can't, and I can't see what's back there. This isn't showing me anything I didn't already know. And if I just look in my mouth, it doesn't look like I have any tonsil stones. Kind of hiding in some of those crypts. And I don't know that I have much at this point, but I feel like there's something deep within like one of my tonsils, but this isn't helping me get them. I will say, if you haven't mastered all the light poking stuff that I've already described, and that seemed like it might help you actually look in your mouth and do it, for $10 or so from AliExpress, that might be worth it to you. Yeah, I don't have any links for this because I recommend you just go get it off of the direct thing from China. Don't buy it off of eBay. Don't buy it off Amazon. Don't buy it off Instagram. Go get it for cheap. I don't mind that I wasted $9. This is going to serve me no purpose, but kind of cool. If you think that's good for you, go get it. It's tonsil stone removal. This one was titled Visible. There's probably a whole bunch of them on there that are the exact same thing.